how to add custom CSS to Wix. In order to do that, you first need to head over and expand right here your left sidebar. So you can just click on which one you want for this. And then from in there, you can just scroll down until you can see this icon right here. So this icon actually represents our custom CSS or our marketing and SEO. Now in here, we have a lot of things that we can do for this one. Now from in here, you can also click on this icon, which is our CMS. And then on the CMS, you just need to add this to your site. So for this one, click on this add to site option. And then it will direct you and it will add the CMS to your website. Now, once CSS has been added, you can just add in here the custom CSS. So in order to do that, you can start by adding a preset or just start by adding a content. So for this one, just click on the start with the preset. And then after that, you can choose which one you actually want. Now, alternatively, you can also head over right here to your Wix Dashboard in order to add your own custom CSS if you want to as well. So that's how you add custom CSS to Wix. Hope we helped.